Sweet Jamaica. If you love Jamaica, let me see your hand. Raise it to the sky and let me see your hand. If you love Jamaica, let me see your hand. Loud up Sweet Jamaica. It bounce on the tree, Sweet Jamaica.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Shana YardieKitchen. Today I'll be cooking some nice Jamaican stew chicken. First thing I did, I have already cleaned and cut up the chicken into small pieces. I washed it with some vinegar to get out some of those slime from the chicken. Okay, so now it's seasoning time. So I have some olive oil, keeping it healthy, some sweet chili, some Maggi season, all-purpose season, also some ketchup, some Grace pickle pepper sauce, and some browning. And I also have, and the type of browning is like a different brand that I normally use. I have some brown sugar, raw cane brown sugar, and in the dish here I have some seasoning, some onions, scallion, ginger, garlic. Okay, on the chicken I already put some powder seasoning, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of Maggi seasoning, and I'm just going to put my fresh seasoning on now, and then I'm going to add some olive oil, about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and then some sweet chili. I have to try to get some of the sweet chili out. It's kind of stuck in, so I'm just gonna shake it a little bit, and I'm just holding the camera with one hand and trying to kind of shake the bottle. It's like it's not coming out, it's not happening. Okay, now I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Yeah, about 2 tablespoons. You can add a little bit more because stew chicken is normally a little bit on the sweet side. And I'm gonna add some browning. I normally have some more, and then add some more, and just add a little bit more because the browning is what gives it the color. And I'll also add in my hot pepper sauce, my Grace hot pepper sauce. I love this hot pepper sauce. It's not a hot, but you know, it does the job. And not forget the ketchup. I'll add some ketchup. I had this ketchup, it was finishing, so I just put some water in it and just shake it and just use what's left. After that, I'm just gonna mix it up. You gotta mix it all in. Mix it, you know, because you're seasoning it up. You want to season it up all the way to the bone, so you just mix it up and keep mixing until you're satisfied with it. And then I'll probably just add a little bit more browning in because I may want it to be a little bit darker than this. After putting the browning, add a little bit more browning in there. I normally put my chicken to marinate for like 1 or 2 days in advance, but at least 2 hours to marinate is good enough as well, because you want it to taste good to the bone. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more browning in here to make it a little bit darker, and that's about it. We're just gonna wrap it up, put it into the fridge for at least 2 hours to get that best tasting chicken. Okay guys, I have my pot on about medium heat. Yeah, about medium or a little bit less than medium, and I have about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and then I have some garlic and some chopped garlic and some chopped onion. So now I let it fry up for a little bit. So now I'm gonna put in my chicken that was already marinated for a while, for at least 2 hours, I will say. But if you don't let it marinate for that long, that's cool. Then I'm just gonna put it in. I'm just gonna make it fry up for a little bit. And you have to make sure that you be careful because the oil is hot and you don't want to splash on yourself, because trust me, that's hot. So you're just gonna put them in piece by piece, and then you're just gonna let it cook down for a bit. And with stew chicken, normally it will make its own water, but if you see that the water is not making, then you can add a little bit because you don't want it to burn. Okay, so now that I have about 2 carrots, about half of an onion, 2 potatoes that I'm gonna cut up, and some pimento seed. I have an half of a sweet pepper and some thyme. Do not forget that thyme. The thyme gives the flavor off. Trust me, it smells really, really good. So I'm just gonna dice these up into some good sizes. Okay, let's check on the stew chicken. So now open up. Oh, that aroma smells really good. So I did add a little bit of water, not a lot because it was springing water, but I needed some more because I'm just gonna make some extra gravy. And I already chopped up my, I forgot my habanero pepper. And I already chopped up everything, my thyme, my pimento, my potato. I have everything in here, and I have my pepper. I'm just gonna cut and I'm just gonna drop in there. I'm not gonna use all of the pepper, I'm just gonna use a piece of the pepper and just drop it in there because I don't want it to be extra hot. And I'm just gonna mix it up for a bit, and then after mixing it up, I'm just gonna let it just cook down for a little bit longer, for probably about 15 minutes, maybe 15 to 20 minutes depending, because I have good enough sauce in here that I won't need to add any more water. I'm just gonna let it just make gravy. This smells so good, and it looks so good, so good. Wish you could smell it. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it on a little bit below medium heat and just let it cook down. Okay guys, so I did went ahead and dish food out, and this is how it looks, all finished. I got less gravy than I wanted, but for my side I have just some white rice and some dumplings, and this is how it looks. It tastes delicious, it smells delicious, and that's about it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye guys.